Sunflower is tall plant with large, yellow flower. It is belong to kingdom of Plantae in the family of Asteraceae, scientific name Helianthus annuus. Sunflower is commonly grown as a crop for its edible oily seeds. It is an herb with rough hairy stem, 1 to 4.5 meters high and broad coarsely, 7.5 to 3 centimeters long arranged in spirals. The attractive heads of flowers are 7.5 to 15 cm wide. Uses: leaves use as fodder, flowers yield as dye, the seeds use as oil and for food. Colors: cream gold, yellow, orange, red, mahogany, chocolate brown. In Latin it is Helianthus, Brazil girasol, Italian girasole, English sunflower. Thank you for watching.